Hello friends. An attractive and descriptive thumbnail is very important for every YouTube video. The matter in the thumbnail should be precise and informative. Usually, thumbnails are created using Photoshop or tools like Canva. I prefer to use PowerPoint for creating thumbnails for my YouTube videos as I find it very simple. In this video, we will discuss how to create thumbnails in PowerPoint. Let's go to PowerPoint. As per YouTube, aspect ratio of a thumbnail should be 16:9. So let's set the slide size. For this, let's click Design menu and then click Page Setup. By default, aspect ratio of slides is 4:3. Let's change this to 16:9. Let's click OK and come out. The slide size has changed. If the aspect ratio is other than 16:9, the thumbnail will either be trimmed or will not fill the full space. There are two writing boxes here, one for title and another for subtitle. Let's right click any one of the box and remove it by clicking on Cut. Let's stretch the other such that it fills the entire slide space. Now this is the perfect size for a YouTube thumbnail. To set the background color, let's right click and then click Format Shape. Here, let's tick Solid Fill and choose an appropriate color for the background. From here, the transparency of the color can be adjusted. We can enhance the background by using Gradient Fill. There are many other options available which you can explore yourself. Here there is an option, Picture or Texture Fill, using which we can choose the ready-made textures for background. If we want to set an image as the background, we can click the file and choose a saved image from our system. Using this offset feature, we can realign the image as per the suitability. Many other options are available to choose from. In my opinion, the background of the thumbnail should be such that it does not distract us and the text should be more catchy and readable. So I will go for a solid color. If we want, we can create a boundary line for the thumbnail. For this, let's tick line color and then tick solid line and then pick the boundary color. Using this line style option, we can alter the thickness of the line and also the line style. I will go for no line. Before proceeding further, let's save this file. To write text here, let's go to Insert menu and insert a text box. Font, color, size of the text can be adjusted later on. Let's stretch this text box to the width of the slide. For more visibility, let's use larger text size and also make them bold. I prefer to write my text in 3 lines for optimum utilization of the space. If we go for 2 lines, the space will be wasted, and if we write our text in more than 3 lines, the text will be congested and will hamper the readability, especially on mobiles. If we want to write text in any other language, we need to have a typing tool for that language. Quillpad is one such website which converts English typing to other Indian languages. Let's select Hindi and type Hindi words using English keyboard, and the text will be converted to Hindi script in real time. The link of this website is given in this video description. Let's copy the text. Let's paste it here. We can use the same text box for multiple lines, but I prefer to use separate text box for each lines for easy formatting and alignment. We should choose the text color such that it is in contrast with the background and stand out so that the viewer is attracted towards the thumbnail. Text can be aligned left, right or center depending on the requirement. Whenever we want to have same format for other lines as well, we can make use of Format Painter to copy the format of a formatted line and apply the same for other lines. I want to use PowerPoint logo in this thumbnail. Any image can be inserted here. While downloading an image, make sure that the background of the image is transparent. To ensure that the image is transparent, check for this checkered marking, which indicates that this part of the image is transparent. Let's download and save this image on our system. If the background of the image is not transparent, it will not go with the thumbnail background and may look odd. Let's go to Insert menu and click Picture and insert the image. Image can be shifted to a suitable place and it can be resized. While adjusting the size, Shift key should be pressed to maintain the proportion. In the same way, we can insert screenshots, photos, smileys, symbols, etc. Since the color of the image is not going with the background, let's change the background color. Let's fine tune it. The text size should be as large as feasible. On the other hand, the thumbnail should not be clumsy. Use simple fonts and avoid stylish fonts for a better viewability. Let's assume that I have to write a text over this image. I will write a word here. The word is behind the image and is not visible. To make it visible, let's right-click the text box and then click on Bring to Front. Now the text is visible. The same result can be achieved by right-clicking the image and then clicking on Send to Back. In many situations, same thumbnail style can be reused with minor alterations in text, which saves our effort and time. For example, I want to create similar thumbnail for my Kannada and English videos on the same topic. For this, I will copy-paste this slide or duplicate it. Now I will use this slide and make minor changes in the text and use it as thumbnail for my other videos. For formatting text, we can use ready-made formatted word art. I feel that thumbnail and title of the video should not be misleading and should be descriptive enough to give an insight of the video. Some people intentionally use misleading thumbnail and title to attract viewers. But when the viewers watch the video, they get irritated because there is no relevance between the thumbnail and the actual content. This misleading information initially might fetch views, but ultimately more people will dislike the video, which will result in dropping of video rank and will adversely affect the channel's popularity. I feel that the thumbnail should be simple and readable. Here the size of the slide is big, hence the text might look more attractive with stylish formatting options. But when the thumbnail is uploaded, the size will be considerably reduced and will badly affect the readability. To save this slide as thumbnail, let's click on Save As. Here, let's select JPEG format. Now click on Current Slide Only. Even we can take a screenshot of the slide and upload. Remember, the file size of the thumbnail should not be more than 2 MB, otherwise YouTube will reject it. We can right-click the image, go to Properties and check the size. The file size of the thumbnail is in KBs, so no issues. Now this thumbnail is ready for upload. Even after publishing the video, thumbnail can be changed at any point of time. If you have any queries regarding thumbnails, please feel free to mention in the comment box and I will try my best to answer it. Apart from PowerPoint, if you are aware of any easier way to create thumbnails, please share it with others in the comment box. Let's conclude this video here. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon. Please also share this video in your social circle. It will encourage us to upload more videos. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel A1 Help. Please also click on bell icon to get notifications of our forthcoming videos. For any query or suggestion, please leave a message in the comment box. Let's meet again in next video. Thanks for watching till end. Bye.